Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Star Technical Lagos branch. So I want to introduce you to installation we did some time ago, and though we not upload this, I just want to introduce you to the system. And what we have here is 5 kilowatts inverters, 6 pieces of it. And what we did in this system is wired in three-phase system, but there is a ground floor, second floor, and last floor. What we did there is these two inverters powering the ground floor. These two inverters power the middle floor, while these two power the upper floor. The one good thing about it is that all of them are taking power from the same source, which is the same battery is powering the whole system. Then on the PV aspect of it, this one will have 10 panels connected to it. This one 10 panels, while the rest are total panels. So at the lower wattage, that's why they are total panels. All in series and power, that's how this one has been connected. Then these are the controls for the PV. You can see the red PV in it. This one controls this one controls one of it. Then this one is another PV, this one is another PV. Then the two we just installed today is being controlled from this side, PV. On this side, you can see we normally have our socket connected to each of the inverters just to cause of thunder sparks. So each of this floor now, you can see they also has a bypass switch connected to it. Bypass switch. You can see this breaker that is open. This breaker is for
let's open it. Let's see.
This breaker is for input. So what we did here is the system is robust enough to power the clients day and night, so they are not using grid at all. So that's why I just put it down. So they just leave it in case of emergency. Maybe there's rain or anything is wrong with the system. They can just allow a grid to flow in and the system will charge with the grid. So I think that's the overview of this system. Thank you.
Okay, I will ask you some question about some troubleshooting. In some cases whereby the output voltage, the inverter is showing error 77. What actually leads to those
Yeah,
error?
if your system is having error 77, it's linked to a neutral error. You check your neutral. You know when you're connecting your system in power, first of all, you need to ensure that both inverters are connected, the neutral are connected together. So if the neutral fails, that maybe there's a short or there's a partial contact in the neutral, it happens like that. You start seeing that fault, it comes and goes, comes over the time we just remain like that. So what you need to do is to trace back your connections, look at where it is on joining and refasting it back, then your system will start running properly.
Okay, in a case whereby one inverter, you have a 4 unit of a lithium battery and you are trying to use one inverter that is to charge it, what
If
what
you are
will happen?
using a inverter that has good BMS to charge it, no challenge, which is all this 5 kVA. Now, when you must have ensured that you did the configuration properly. And you can see our configuration here. You see the showing lithium and it's also showing C. You can see a C inside. If you get the configuration and it's showing
Okay,
that C,
yes, to C.
no, you can see L
Okay,
and
okay,
C.
okay, only and C.
L and C.
Okay,
So once that C is showing, it means it's communicating with your BMS. So if you are using just one inverter, you can do it, but it will take a longer time to charge because charging current is quite small. But if you are using inverter that if it's not communicating properly, it might have issues. The input cable might be overheated and cause short. So you need to ensure that fine, your inverter is communicating properly with your batteries. One, with your BMS, you know that your battery will not be overcharged. The cutoff voltage will be properly set, and other parameters will be working perfectly. But if it's not on BMS, as in communicating properly, that means you need to readjust your settings to ensure that the battery is not overcharged and also under